You're thinking about diving into the world of investing, right? Maybe you've heard the whispers, the promises of financial freedom, the potential to grow your wealth. And amidst all the noise, Questrade has likely popped up on your radar. But let's be real for a second. Is it actually as good as they say? Now, I know what you're thinking. Another boring finance video, right? Wrong. We're going to cut through the jargon, the fancy terms, and give you the straight talk. We're going to dive deep into Questrade, explore its features, fees, and the overall user experience. But more importantly, we're going to help you decide if it's the right fit for your financial journey. So, you've got questions, and I've got answers. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is Questrade? For those of you who are new to the investing game, Questrade is an online brokerage platform. Basically, it's a digital gateway to the stock market. You can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies through their platform. It's like having a personal financial assistant, but without the hefty price tag. But here's the thing, the world of online brokerages is crowded. So, what sets Questrade apart? Well, they've built a reputation for offering low fees. We're talking commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. That's a big deal, especially if you're someone who plans on making frequent trades. But low fees aren't everything. What about the platform itself? Is it user-friendly? Can you actually navigate it without pulling your hair out? Well, Questrade has made a conscious effort to create a platform that's accessible to both seasoned investors and newbies. The interface is relatively clean, and most of the tools you need are just a click away. However, if you're someone who prefers a more complex trading platform with advanced charting options, you might find Questrade a bit limited. Let's talk about account types. Questrade offers a variety of accounts to suit different investor needs. You've got your standard taxable investment account, but they also offer registered accounts like RRSPs, TFSAs, and RESPs. This flexibility is a major plus. But what about customer service? Let's face it, dealing with financial institutions can often feel like navigating a maze. So, how does Questrade stack up? Well, they offer phone, email, and live chat support. While the response times might vary, many users report satisfactory experiences. Now, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked, education. Investing can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. Does Questrade offer any resources to help you learn the ropes? Thankfully, they do. While it's not the most extensive library of financial education out there, they provide some basic guides and articles to get you started. So, is Questrade the perfect brokerage for everyone? Absolutely not. It's like choosing a pair of shoes. What works for one person might not work for another. If you're a frequent trader looking for low-cost options, Questrade could be a solid choice. If you need advanced trading tools and personalized advice, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Questrade is right for you is to do your own research. Check out their website, read reviews, and maybe even open a practice account to test the waters. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.